my very first time of importing Korean skincare brands from China. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. I talk about beauty, fashion, and money making tips. So if you want to start a hustle in 2025, please do not sleep on importation. I'm telling you. Over the months, I have taught people how to import hairs, how to import cute items, how to import even down to lights and even phones, and all these things are with good quality, because one thing about China is that they produce the best qualities for less amount. This is my very first time of importing Korean skincare brands from China. This is the anua and this is the CORSX. I don't know if that's the pronunciation, but these are Korean skincare brands, and because they are directly from factories, I got them for a very affordable amount. So anua is sold for around 15,000 naira for this bottle. I'm going to place an overlay video. So for this bottle, it's sold for 15,000 naira, and I got two of this for less than 20,000 naira for two bottles. So imagine how much people make when they ship in Korean products by themselves and sell it. So even down to clothes, down to shoes, clothes, there's nothing that you can go on the 1688 app that you can't get. Trust me, you will definitely see everything to get. Hit that like button, share and subscribe, and share these videos to your loved ones, your family members, and people that you know would need this video, because I'm just going to explain a few things in this video. So this is the very first time I'm importing things for myself personally, because since I started my importation journey, it was only for business. So I got skincare products for myself, and I think, yeah, for myself and for my friend. And I also got this Revlon brush. Like, it is even bigger than the picture, and look how cute it is. I got this brush. I think it is being sold for around like 30,000 to 40,000 naira here in Nigeria. So I got this for less than 20k. Yeah, these goods actually took over a month to get to Nigeria, and when I went to pick up my goods, I asked them that why did it take so long, and he said there was an issue at the airport, Hong Kong airport, because that was the one I used. Normally I use Guangzhou airport, but I use Hong Kong airport this time, so it took some few weeks to fix all that. So at least my goods came in, you know, in good condition. Nothing happened to my goods. That is just what I'm grateful for. If you want me to make a more detailed video on how to import from China, normally I host a class, and it's not a free class, but I want to make a detailed tutorial on how to import from China on my YouTube channel for free. So in case you know you don't want to miss my next video, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video and the next video I'm going to drop. Please don't forget to do that. I started my importation journey. I started importing tumblers from China. I'm going to put a video here so you will see the tumblers I'm talking about. And I wasn't really consistent in the selling and everything because of the fluctuation in naira and dollar and everything, but I made roughly around 200 to 300k. I don't know yet, but if you want me to like do a calculation, I can do a rough calculation here. So I made roughly around 200 to 300k. I was also selling lashes. I was selling lashes, different kinds of lashes. These lashes can last you like 3 to 4 months. These lashes. So I was selling cluster lashes. I was selling glass cups, and I just recently added wigs to my collections of business. I'm telling you can get literally anything from China with the best quality. Let's not forget that. If you know that you don't want to get scammed, because I've seen a lot of videos of people that import from China and they usually get scammed because maybe they don't use the right supplier, or they don't make their own research properly before importing those goods, and they would import maybe toys or fake products. So That is what I'm here to teach you, not to get scammed, to get value for your money. So that when you even put out your goods out to sell and people see it and they'll be like, yes, this is actually worth something I can buy. So the app I use for my agency is Momata. They are very effective and they work hand in hand with Sky Cargo, so it just makes my shipping very flawless. So they make it very easy for you not to go through the stress of finding a shipping company or whatnot. It's just a smooth ride. If you want me to make a detailed tutorial on how to import any goods at all, trust me, any goods with the best quality, just comment below that you want me to make a video, a detailed video, and I'm going to teach you how to get quality items with suppliers that are not scammers, how to navigate your way through the 1688 app, and how to import directly to Nigeria by yourself. You don't need an international passport, you don't need Alipay, you don't need any of those things. You can pay directly from your bank account. That is what I'm here to teach you. You can pay directly from your bank account. So please, and you have to subscribe not to miss out on that detailed class. See you all in my next video. Bye.